Okay, next, images. What am I doing differently with images? Let me start by adding an image to the web page. I want to use the lightbox. I want to use the large version of it. And since I'm using the lightbox, make sure that it's linking to nowhere. I'm gonna change the size of the image by dragging the corner and resizing it, or to be more accurate, edit the image. When it says size, change that setting to custom size, and then change it to, in this case, let's make it 300. Let's make the height 300. It's gonna automatically adjust the width. I'm gonna update. So now we're gonna have a smaller um, version of the image on the actual page, but it's actually the large image. The lightbox is in effect, so you're gonna see when you click on the large box, the lightbox, we're gonna see the 1024 pixel version of the image. So far, you have all this stuff in the ThemeCity plugin. I'm not doing anything different. Now, things that I'm doing different is I added some CSS classes to the images. So if I want to add a shadow to the image, all I have to do is add that class. And if I want to have rounded corners, say so. So the rounded classes that I have is rounded 5, rounded 10. It goes in increments of 5 all the way to rounded 30. So you cannot use, for example, rounded 16, but you can use rounded 15, rounded 20, rounded 10. Alright, so if I update it, you're going to see the results in the backside. You don't have to necessarily go at the front to see the actual results. There's the shadow, there's the rounded 20, rounded corners, and the lightbox works. If you want to make the image completely round, I've got a class for that one too, but it's not going to work that perfectly right now because the image is rectangular. If you want to get a completely circular image, a completely round one, the image that you're using has to be a square. That means the width and the height of the image has to be exactly the same. And the class for that is round. And in this case, this is what you're going to see. Let me change that back to rounded 20. And let me go to captions. This is the last thing that I'm doing differently when it comes to images. So let's say alright, by default WordPress always shows the captions below the images, but as far as my things go, the captions are going to be shown on the image on a mouse over. Okay, and that's all I have about images for now.